Hello, you are at the SCHUNK booth at the ACMEE 2023 in Chennai. My name is Satish Sadasivan. I'm the Managing Director of SCHUNK Intec India. And today at the booth, you can witness the latest technologies from the company SCHUNK. As you know, SCHUNK has a philosophy of offering more than what's the basic requirement. Every product is a unique proposition. And at the display today, you can see a lot of products with artificial intelligence and quite a bit of autonomous functioning products. You can see that the market demands today from various industries are maintenance-free, carefree, usable products. And so we have here the products that can really work without supervision or much of maintenance. So at display will be the two major products, which is about the automation solutions and the gripping systems as well. Please witness the best and we are of course catering to the industrial requirement of today with different industrial segments starting from the automobiles to aerospace, energy and electronics, and various verticals like manufacturers, consultants, distribution network and also the academia. So welcome to the SCHUNK booth and I hope you have a good time here. Thank you.